So do you want to make some money online? If so, follow this video and you'll know everything that you need to know. Hit subscribe and let's go. Now, I'm just going to take this as an example and I want to show you how easy this is. So, for example, if you choose to search on Google cool gaming setup accessories, you will find a lot of these articles. So, for example, if I click on this one, 25 cool gaming desk accessories every gamer should have, you will see that this one has a lot of views. It has huge number of views and it certainly made the author a lot of money. Okay, and it's only like last year in November, so it is a really low amount of time. So you can see 25 cool gaming setup accessories you should have. Now, apart from these views, okay, and apart from that money, which is only based on views, just take a look at this. They also include the affiliate links from Amazon, for example. And I don't know where this link will take me, but I suggest that it's going to take me somewhere in order to buy this. Okay, so when I read something about that and I like this desk, for example, this Smart Desk Pro, well, I have to pay $500 for it if I want it, okay? And trust me, guys, out of all these people, well, huge number, huge percentage actually bought something from this list, okay? So this is what you can do, but today we're going to focus on the articles only. You don't need affiliate links in order to make money with today's strategy. You just need the article like this one, okay? So now you can just take a bit of your time to just do a research and just go on Google and see what other people are doing. Okay, so you can just recreate what they're doing. But of course, you don't have to write the articles yourself. Today we make money without a lot of work involved, so let's go and start with this. I'm always up to using AI technology because it's available and it's really good. ChatGPT, well, the whole world is talking about this one and it can do wonders for you. But for example, today it can write for us. And all of the things that this tool writes for us can make us money. So what you can do, for example, is you can ask ChatGPT to write you an article about something. So you can just write me an article about, I don't know, maybe 10 gadgets for gamers, okay? So you can just ask ChatGPT the following question, and it's going to give you 10 gadgets. As you can see, gaming is a popular hobby enjoyed by millions of people around the world. Now, it gives you like gaming mouse, gaming keyboard, gaming headset, gaming chair, and gaming monitor. But of course, you can just recreate these and you can go into more specific details, okay? So you can just ask ChatGPT, give me more specific accessories, something that not a lot of people know about. So when it's done with this, you just wait until it stops with generating this content. You can just ask the following: give me 10 gadgets that not a lot of people know about. So you can just ask it like that. And of course, it's going to write. It's going to write whatever you ask it. The more specific you are, the more specific article you're going to get. So you can see it right in here. So these are 10 gadgets. So there's like smart bike lock, smart notebook, levitating speaker, whatever that is, smart mirror, portable air quality monitor, you can portable projector, magnetic phone mount, wireless charging pad. So you can see really good article. Now, of course, if you're not satisfied, you can just ask ChatGPT to make it longer. Okay, so if I just make it longer, sorry ChatGPT for yelling at you, but if you just make it longer, you can get more money on the websites that I'm going to show you today. So until ChatGPT is done, let's go to a website which is actually going to give us the money for this article. So the first link that I want to show you, the first website, is Text Broker. So Text Broker is giving you the money for the articles. So if you just come on textbroker.com and you click on I write content and then you click on payment, you will actually see that they pay you for the amount of words. So if you just scroll down a bit, you will have to calculate your earnings on these open order things, and you can just see word counter. So for 1,000 words, you can get $16, okay? And the quality is like 4 or maybe 5 stars on ChatGPT. Even if it's 3, it's still $11 for actually doing nothing. Now, if you complete like, I don't know, maybe just 2 of these today, that's going to be $32. So $32 per day, guys, that can be some good money. Of course, the more of these articles you submit, the more money you will get. So it all depends on you, okay? The more time you invest in this, the more money you can actually get out. So I suggest just go and do it, guys. Just do as many as you can today. Of course, you can just make it longer. Just take a look at this. It rises with the amount of words that you put into here. Now, another website which is buying articles from people all over the world is iWriter. iWriter is a simple thing, just like Text Broker. So when you come on iWriter.com, you can just click on Write Content here, and you will just have to complete this simple information about yourself and then submit this like 200 words on the following topic. So this is about yourself. So these 200 words, you know how to write. This is just for the application. But this down here, you can see that they've give you just like some research test. Okay, so please write 200 words in English on the following topic. What is the number one way a company can be successful with social media marketing? Okay, so what you can do? You can just copy this question, copy that in clipboard, go back to ChatGPT, of course, just make a new chat and just paste the question inside of this. It is going to start writing right away, okay? So you can see, guys, this is really, really good. It's going to be more than 200 words, but you can, of course, just check for like original content of ChatGPT because sometimes it doesn't give you actual original content. So what you can do is you can just copy this entire article that ChatGPT made us, just copy that, and then you can just head over to Grammarly.com. So Grammarly.com is going to give you the tool, and if you click on for work, actually you have to click on tools and guides, you have plagiarism check. So plagiarism checker, this is just going to give you the information if your text is original or not. So you just paste that text inside of here. Click on scan for plagiarism. And here you can see that this specific text has significant plagiarism found. So sometimes it's not gonna be plagiarism involved, but sometimes you have significant plagiarism found. So what you can do is you can just paraphrase that article. Go to Quillbot, for example, which is a paraphrasing tool, Quillbot, and you just have to rewrite your text. When you just paste this inside of here, let me just show you with a smaller amount of words. So you can just click on the paraphrase, and the meaning of this text is going to stay the same when it comes on the right hand side here. But the words are going to get rearranged and it's going to be paraphrased. Okay, so it's going to be an original content afterwards. There is also this one, which is called spinbot.com, and it does the same thing. You just paste the text and you just go basic spin and it's going to rewrite your text. Okay, so now you can just once more check this one, copy this from here, and then run it through Grammarly once again, and then you just make money with it. Now you can see that the result is totally different. No plagiarism found. So that was it, guys. Go and do it. Just take some action and the money is going to be yours. I'll catch you.